Hey guys, what's happening? Thanks for tuning in, coming back and watching. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing well, staying safe, taking care of yourselves, all those kind of things. And if you are new here, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm Jim, by the way, and I make tutorial videos here every week showing you how I edit my photos using various software products. Today, I'm not really doing an edit as much as I'm talking about a special Black Friday deal. My friend Matt Seuss has an amazing collection of textures, but also sky packs, sky replacement packs. Great for use in Luminar 4 if you have that, Luminar AI, Photoshop, which now has an auto sky replacement feature, as well as any other product that has layers or the ability to plop in a new sky. So Matt and I have been friends for a number of years. We've hung out. Anyway, he has this amazing sky pack, which is mostly what I'm talking about here. Let me show you the website. He's got a Black Friday deal. It's the biggest savings of the year. And he's got a huge sky pack here. It's 3 different cloud kits all bundled together for $149, which is basically 50% off. He's got a huge texture pack as well, also on sale for 50% off. By the way, if you've already got some of these, because this is not a new pack, this has been out a year or so, and I'll put a link down below. To be clear, it is an affiliate link. Matt pays me a referral fee if I send traffic his way and you purchase something. I talked about this in a video a year ago when it came out, and he's having a Black Friday deal. I just thought it was worth sharing because, again, it's such an amazing pack. You've got different components which you can buy individually if you would like to, if you don't want to buy the entire Sky collection pack. So now I've clicked into the Sky bundle, the entire Sky replacement collection pack. You can see there's 3 different kits. It's great for lots of different uses, and I'm on Matt's website again, but it includes the Desert Sunsets kit, 45 files, which are just beautiful sunsets from the desert. That's an example of what they look like. So you're looking at some really beautiful skies. And by the way, these are large files. These are not tiny little noisy skies. These are beautiful, crisp, clear skies. I've had this pack for over a year now. I've been using it on a lot of my different tutorial videos and a lot of my own sky replacements that I do for fun, and they just come in really handy. The Blue Sky kit is really cool. It also includes extra, it says right here, 60 extra clouds that are designed specifically for augmented sky, which is a feature in Luminar. I'll show you an example of that. Blue skies come in really handy. You might think, well, I don't want blue skies. That's what I want to replace. But how many times do you have just a plain blue sky that's boring and you want to stick some clouds in? Comes in really handy. And then it also includes the Ultimate Cloud 400 kit, which is what he first launched over a year ago when this came out. And this has got some beautiful sunsets, as you can see. It's got some stormy skies. It's got some aurora, Milky Way, Milky Way starry skies. It's just fantastically beautiful. Let me show you how I would use this in a photo. So first I'll do the augmented sky. You just go into augmented sky. I'm in Luminar AI, by the way, which also, by the way, is on a Black Friday sale. I'll put a link to that down below. I'll load a custom image, and let's say you want to take a cloudy sky like that. You can see these are a little bit different. Black background, white clouds. It gives you the ability to blend it in. As you click that, it just automatically places it. You can shrink that with the augmented sky tool and then just drag it around to put it in place. Let's say I want to put this guy, or excuse me, the cloud object there. And there we go. Before and after. There's the before, kind of boring sky, and there it is after with the augmented sky by sticking in one of those cloud overlays from that large bundled sky pack. Now I'm going to hit reset, and I'm going to go over here to Sky AI, and here I'm going to say Sky Selection and load custom sky image, and this time I'm going to go into, I'm going to get a stormy sky, and let's say I add something like that. I'm just having fun here. This probably isn't even going to look real, but you can see what it looks like. They're beautiful skies, and in fact, I should probably just click in and show you what some of these skies look like. So let me just open that. I've got them kind of organized, and I recommend doing that. They'll come in different folders, but I've kind of categorized them based on the type of sky that they are. It helps me mentally kind of keep things straight. Also reduces my search time for when I'm in here in Sky AI looking to replace something and trying to find the right sky. So I've got a couple of different folders of blue skies. The black and white skies are the ones that I use for the augmented sky, as I talked about. There's cloudy skies where you come in here and you can see there's lots of different uses for cloudy skies. Maybe what you have is a blue, boring afternoon sky and you want to stick some clouds on it to give it a little bit of visual interest. That's what I would use those for. The desert sunsets are beautiful. As I said, you can see here we've got some fantastic skies. Let me open some of these. Like, that's gorgeous. I mean, that is just honestly literally a stunning sky. And to be clear, you can see that's a 15 megabyte JPEG, 8,000 pixels by 6,150 pixels wide. So it's a large file. This is not a small noisy JPEG. It's a large file. Here's another beautiful desert sunset. I mean, that is just gorgeous. I can see myself using these quite a bit, and in fact I do. And again, large file, 8,000 pixels wide, and then some. So that's a sample of the desert skies. Again, I'm not going to go through all of these because there's just literally too many. I think you might really enjoy looking at some of these night skies. I mean, look at that. I just love that. I've personally shot the night sky a couple of different times. It's not something I'm particularly good at. And when I first bought this Sky Pack, that was the thing I was most interested in, because the Luminar 4 had come out with AI Sky replacement, which is now called Sky AI. I wanted to be able to stick in night skies occasionally, and these are perfect for that. So that's a beautiful one. I mean, just absolutely stunning. And again, 8 meg image, 7,000 pixels wide. So you're talking about large files. Here's another one that I really like. Just a beautiful sky. You can see a couple of shooting stars. You can see some of the Milky Way kind of going across it, and literally millions of little pinpricks of light from stars. It's just fantastic and beautiful. And one more time, 7,500 pixels wide. So again, talking about large files here. There's another component of that. There's stormy skies, which I love as well. These are very fun. I mean, these some of these are a little thinner, but that's 8,000 pixels wide. But let me show you that file. And there you go. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. I just love these kind of things. And you know, the thing for me is, I don't get the opportunity to shoot this kind of stuff very often. And it's up to you whether you're interested in sky replacement or not. It's a thing. It's here, like it or not. I personally am a fan of creating things. And the thing for me is variety is kind of not just the spice of life, of course, but also variety is key. And that's one of the reasons I think Matt has such a great pack, is because there's so many skies in it. The amount of skies that come with Luminar AI and Luminar 4 is fairly limited. And I don't know about you, but like on social media, you will see people using those skies, and then immediately you start to recognize it because you probably used it just like I have. And there's nothing wrong with it, but you're probably going to want some variety. And that's what's so great, I think, about this Sky Pack, is so many different skies and a lot of variety. And these are beautiful. Like I said, you can kind of see here, some of these stormy and cloudy skies are just stunning. Look at that one. I mean, fantastic. And that's the one that I've got here in this photo. And then lastly, there's a sunset sky group. These are just how I've grouped them, but you can just kind of see, I mean, so much color, so many beautiful things you can do. And honestly, it's just the variety is fantastic, and the fun that you can have is pretty much limitless. Let me also show you and talk to you real quick about the textures, because I think the textures are a cool part of it as well. You've got that here on the site. It's a 100 texture bundle, 4 different categories. You can see that there's stone, and here's an example of what they look like. I think that's pretty cool. Here's rust and patina. I used these in a video just the other day talking about the texture overlay tool, which is in Luminar AI. It's a local masking tool that allows you to add textures, but that's what those look like. Again, really cool. These, a little bit more subtle, including one that's kind of music notes, which is fun, and then wood as well, which gives you a lot more variety. So altogether, these are lots of variety, lots of fun. I think it's a great deal. My friend Matt, you know, he's basically just put a lot of time into capturing these things over a number of years. I think it's a great deal. You help Matt out. You help me out if you purchase off my link, which is down below. Again, an affiliate link. Matt provides me with a referral fee if I send traffic his way. So thank you for that. Thank you for watching. I do hope if you're here in the US that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and time with your family. Just wanted to share this because this Black Friday deal is on. It goes until the end of the day Monday, Cyber Monday, which I believe is November 30th. That's it for this, my friends. Just wanted to share this deal with you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. I'll be back with more videos with more Luminar AI stuff. Take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you soon, my friends, and adios.